I'm sitting in a 2012 Mazda 2. We're going to be programming 2 keys. This is a no key situation. So what we're going to do is, we have our 2 keys here. Stick the first key in, turn it on. You can see our theft light is blinking. So let's get started. Start on Mazda. Mazda 2. Key coding. 2012. Key on IC, key 2. Apologize for the screen flashing. Enter. We're going to read the key count. 3 keys in there. Let's do an erase. Must have 2 keys. Yes. Okay. Enter. Okay, all transponders erased. We switch the key off. Remove the key. Switch key to program and switch to on. Enter. Number of keys 0. Would I like to program additional keys? Yes. Off. Remove key, it is removed. Insert switch, turned on. Okay. Number of keys 1. Would I like to program additional keys? Yes. Off. Remove key, it is removed. Switch key in ignition. Other key. On. Number of keys 2. We are done. No, we do not want to do any more. Let's go ahead and unplug. We'll take our key out of the ignition. Put our foot on the brake. Vehicle runs. Take it out. Second key. You can see the security light will come on and then it should go out. And it's ready to go.